Hello everyone, and welcome to my review of Tony Motorfelt. Now, Tony Motorfelt is an actor in Attack of the Space Zombies from the Planet B episode of Cars on the Road. Motorfelt, as you can probably tell, portrayed the town sheriff of the movie. So basically the car version of Woody from Toy Story. Potentially, I'm not too sure, but carrying on. His model is a Hollismobile Campster, which I'm not too sure what it's based on. And fun fact about him, he's named after Cars 3 shot lighting artist and Car on the Road lighting technical lead, Tony Motorfelt. Clever Pixar. And he's voiced by David Fennoy. bet you could live your life without knowing that, eh? But still, let's have a look. So I think so. As you can probably tell, we've got the stereotypical, if that's what you can call it, sheriff colours. He's got quite angry, mad, maybe. I don't know. Maybe expression. I got a mustache, a Hitler stash. No. I'll take that back. Which actually has it's actually a little bumpy. Ooh, that's interesting. He's got big wing mirrors since he's a big vehicle. Is he based on a Chevy Suburban? I don't know. I just named a random SUV. Oh, we got a little bit of dirt decals on him. Must have used some 4-wheel drive. And he's also got obviously got the police lights, or the sheriff lights. Same, I don't know. Same meat, different gravy. And we got a spare tyre, which is cool. What does the number plate say? MO2. OBE, is that? Can't exactly read it. Hold on, why has it got those little side step plate things on the side? It's not like anyone's gonna climb in somewhere or anything. So, honestly confuses me, it does.